Hey, Mishka Moki. Are you girls ready to meet your sister? Oh, you smell your sister. Oh, who's that?
Mishka Moki. Here's your new sister.
Mishka, look.
Moki, this is Laika.
Moki.
This is Laika. Mishka, come here. Look. This is Laika. Meet Laika. It's your new sister.
Love the wagging tail action.
Aww. Alright, you want to see her? Okay, back up.
Okay, yeah.
Back up. Okay. Come on now. It's okay, Laika. Come on. It's okay. Alright, girls, meet Laika.
No, that's not yours. That's Laika. That's her. She going there.
Aww, she gave Mishka a kiss. Watch out, Trev. She's got to meet Mishka Moki. Hold on, Trev.
Let the doggies say hi.
Doggy, say hi. It's okay, Moki. It's alright. It's okay. Good girl.
Good
Good
girls.
girl, Moki.
Oh, Moki, the puppy loves you.
No, Moki. It's okay.
Moki, it's okay.
It's
She's
okay.
a puppy.
She's a puppy.
She's giving you kisses.
It's kisses, Moki. It's okay, Moki. Good girl. Good girl, Moki. Good girl. Come here, Mishka. Come here. Come here, Mishka.
She don't like her.
Come say hi, Mishka. This is Laika. Good girl.
Look at her. He like at you. Alright.
It's your new sister, Mishka. Your new sister, Moki. Oh, she peed on the floor.
Oh, nice.
Very nice.
Dang! The monkey, that's not yours.
You want to play with her,
Oh,
Mishka?
yay.
What? I can get you those. But Laika! Laika! Go get it. Stay here, okay? I gotta get it. She balled it all the way down there.
She peed on the floor again.
Okay, that's enough taping. Let's